Training at higher altitudes may require more physical effort. To achieve the same performance you're used to, your VO2 max may be underestimated as a result. Garmin watches feature altitude acclimation to detect how well your body is adapting to higher altitudes. Adjust your VO2 max and training status estimates accordingly. When you are between 800 meters and 4,000 meters, the watch activates altitude acclimation insights. Before starting, ensure your watch is synced with the Garmin Connect app. Also, make sure location permissions are set to always in your phone settings. This ensures your watch receives accurate elevation data. After your workout, open the Garmin Connect app. Go to More, then Performance Stats, and select Training Status. You can view your current acclimation level and your acclimation trend over the past week on your watch glances, along with changes in pulse ox, average respiration rate, and average resting heart rate. If your altitude acclimation shows as inactive, your watch will begin altitude acclimation tracking after you've stayed between 800 and 4,000 meters for over a day. It usually takes about 21 days for your watch to show full acclimation at your current elevation. You'll usually see more noticeable changes in the early stages. To learn more about altitude acclimation, please visit the Running Science section on Garmin's official website.